For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
On Monday, the Congress will hold a nationwide agitation against the continuous daily hike in petrol and diesel prices in Delhi. The prices of petrol and diesel increased for 21 consecutive days, and for the first time ever, price of diesel exceeded the price of petrol. The vendors have already claimed the hike in price is affecting sales. The Supreme Court will hear a petition vital to the rights of nearly 5 lakh chartered accountancy students slated to take their exams between July 29th and August 16th amid an exponential surge of the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. The petition filed has primarily challenged the opt-out scheme announced by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India on June 15 and 20. The Congress has again targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi for not naming China in his Mann Ki Baat radio address. Congress chief spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said that in 33 minutes of Mann Ki Baat, PM did not take the name of China even once. Why is PM afraid of China? Surjewala also attacked Modi and Shah in the handling of coronavirus crisis. Amid the political verbal battle, the ruling BJP and the major opposition Congress is only increasing with every passing day regarding the Galwan Valley violence. Senior Congress spokesperson Abhishek Manu Singhvi alleged that PM Cares Fund also received donations from Chinese firms. Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia has said that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal believes that the battle against COVID-19 is very big and no individual person or agency can deal with it alone, and that is why he has brought everyone together and his efforts seem to be paying off. The Director General of Civil Aviation has issued a show-cause notice to Air Asia after one of its pilots alleged of violations of safety norms by the low-cost airliner. The show-cause notice is learned to have been issued to the airline's head of flight operations and safety. Air India will fly 114 flights while Indigo and Go Air will operate 457 and 41 flights respectively between July 3rd and July 15th under the fourth phase of Vande Bharat mission to repatriate stranded Indians amid the coronavirus crisis. The government started the mega mission to repatriate stranded Indians from abroad due to coronavirus on May 6th. Reacting to concerns raised by parents and students, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has announced postponement of final semester exams in all the universities and colleges of the state till July 15th. India reports more than 19,700 fresh COVID-19 cases on Sunday, the second highest single-day surge so far after Saturday's count of 20,060. The total cases of the pandemic are now nearing the grim of 5.5 lakh mark. The death toll in the country now stands at over 16,400, while over 3,21,000 people have recovered.